if you want to change date and the time settings in your Toshiba LED TV, at the first you have to tap on the home icon on your remote control. Next, scroll down to the settings, pick system. Right now we have to go for the date and the time. If you want to change date, click OK and use your remote control. Of course, I'm gonna set correctly on. And below we can find hour. So if you change it, just go back, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.